Hi, my name is Sumner Spasco and this is my Nearpod Technology Tool how-to video. Have you ever wanted a more interactive and student-based learning presentation tool? If yes, then Nearpod is the perfect tool for you to integrate into your classroom. Nearpod is a tool that allows for student collaboration, teacher-facing, student activities, and assessments all through the use of a presentation. Nearpod can make learning fun and exciting and something that helps with student attention. So first, let's start by talking about just the presentation qualities. Nearpod is a presentation tool, so it does have your normal presentation qualities. You can pick a theme, and whatever theme you pick, that will go across your entire presentation. And then you can change the background. You can upload a picture from your computer. You can change the layout, the audio, if you want to record yourself teaching the lesson before, or you can upload music or audio from your computer. And then you also can change the font and the spacing. So it has all the same things as a typical presentation tool, but the really cool part about Nearpod that I'm about to show y'all is that Nearpod actually has really fun activities that can be integrated into your classroom. So for my class, we did parts of a plant content slides before, and a really great way that we could check for student understanding is to add an activity. So I'll show you all some of these activities. We have time to climb, open a new question, matching pairs, quiz, draw it, collaborate, poll, fill in the blanks, and memory test. These are all great assessment tools. One of my favorite is Draw It, so that's what I'm going to show y'all. You can add a reference. I don't need to do that because I already have my content slides, and mine will be to draw the parts of a plant and label it. And then you can also add a timer to give your students a certain amount of time to do this task. So I went ahead and I added that, and I will show you what that looks like at the end. You can also add content, which are things like field trips and different slides and simulations and videos, which are all great. You can add web content. I love the activities, so that's what we're showing today. Another thing that I love is the Collaborate tool. I love collaboration in the classroom, but sometimes it gets a little noisy, so having this on Nearpod is a great way to introduce and have collaboration with technology. So something that my students are going to write about is why a leaf is important to a plant. And then Nearpod is a great feature where you can heart a friend's message that you like if you agree. So that is also going to be in their directions. If they agree with one of their friends, then they can heart their message. You can change the theme down here as well of your collaboration board. You can also add an image if you'd like. And I'll show you all what these look like. So we're going to go ahead and we can preview this, which is a great tool as well to check what your students are seeing before it's actually being presented. We have all of my content slides that I have for my students that we will work through together. And now we have the fun activities where I can check for my students' understanding. So draw the parts of a plant and label it. My students can go ahead and they can, on their own devices, they can draw a plant and they can label it. And this is based off of stuff that we've already talked about. So if they're not able to do this, then I know that they weren't understanding the lesson. So they can do that. They can add text box and they can add also other images, but that's not in my directions. And then the way that you're going to go ahead and save this is to press that lock button, and then that will show up for your teacher to see. Next we have my collaboration tool. So why a leaf is important to a plant and heart a friend's message. So I can go ahead and I can type something. A leaf is important, and my message as a student will pop up for everybody to see. So this is a big board, and every one of my class's message will pop up on the board. I can see who's been typing these messages. As a student, if I like my friend's message, I can go ahead and press this heart button to let them know that I agree with what they're saying. So these are all great tools and great ways that I can check for student understanding, and I can present information in my class. I love presentation tools because I think that they are very meaningful and they help with lesson structure and pacing, and they make the content easily presented to the students. These activities are a great way to integrate technology in your classroom and also check for student understanding and have students be more involved in your lesson. That's why I love Nearpod so much, and I hope you do too. Thank you.